Yes, people, right now we're on Yahoo Finance taking a look at the FTSE 100 live. So let's take a look at what's going on here. So stocks mixed as US futures fall from record highs after Fed rate cut on the 22nd of September, Monday. So the FTSE 100 was flat while European stocks fell on Monday morning as US stock futures dipped from historic highs at the start of a relatively quiet week in terms of economic updates in the wake of the Federal Reserve's rate cut. So the futures on the Dow, the S&P 500, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 were all about 0.4% lower. Meanwhile, gold rose to a new record high, topping $3,750. Gold's absolutely been smashing it, breaking records after record, as investors are looking at potential interest rate cuts, which might be coming from the US Central Bank. Meanwhile, foreign affairs were leading the headlines in the UK. UK ministers touched down in New York this morning to formally recognize the Palestinian state at the UN headquarters. Other countries like Canada, Australia, and Portugal are also, looking at the same steps as well in terms of the humanitarian crisis and ongoing genocide in Gaza. So we have been clear that the decision that we are taking is about the best way to respect the security for Israel as well as the security for Palestinians, according to the Foreign Secretary, the British Foreign Secretary Yvette Cooper. Now, she talked about protecting peace and justice and all that. And then basically, London's Premier Index was treading water just above the flat line just after noon. Airlines EasyJet and International Consolidated Airlines Group led the losses following a cyber attack on major travel hubs. There have been more cyber attacks increasing in terms of targeting the travel industry right now. So over in Germany, the DAX dipped 0.6%, the CAC 40 in Paris fell 0.2%, the Pan-European Stock 600 pulled 0.1% lower, and the pound rose 0.2% against the dollar, having lost around 0.9% of its value over the previous week. It's now trading just below the $1.35 mark. There you have it, people. That's the FTSE 100 updates at the start of the week. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think. Catch you in the next one.